Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the best script for San Diego border roleplay. This script has auto smuggle farm, truck missions farm, and more. Now I'll show you the auto smuggle farm. You just have to turn it on and it's going to auto farm. As you can see, your auto farm automatically fills the gas tank. The script also has profit tracker, which is good. As you can see, it's already auto farming and doing the steps. Here, it's waiting a couple seconds to go sell the goods. As you can see, it's farming perfectly well. Now I'll show you the auto truck missions. As you can see, auto truck missions also sell goods at the same time, which is really OP. Now just waiting a bit before selling. Works perfectly fine. Already completed the mission, lol. You can choose which specific mission you want to do, or just do them all. Get the script in the description, and join the Discord server. Also make sure you like and subscribe or you won't get the script, lol. See you guys in the next video.